What up, fam, and welcome back to the Fit Man Cook Kitchen. Now, if you've been on keto for longer than a week, then you know that the fat bomb situation gets old really fast. But even if you aren't on keto, I think these are some great snacks that you can have to help you power your day and keep you from grabbing that 3 p.m. candy bar. If that sounds familiar, remember I am you. Today, I'm showing you 5 high-protein keto snacks that'll keep you full and are also heart healthy. We're talking 15 to nearly 30 grams of protein per serving. Most of them are no-cook, but all of them are Mediterranean diet friendly, and the video builds. It goes from lowest effort to the most amount of effort so you can pick what's right for you. Let's get into it. Smoked salmon guacamole and bell pepper chips. This ain't your average guacamole, and that's exactly the point. You're gonna grab some ripe avocados, make sure they're ripe. You want a chunky mash, you want texture, not baby food. You're gonna hit it with that lime juice, and that's what's gonna keep it from oxidizing and turning brown. The red onion also helps with that. Fold it in along with jalapeno or serrano, tomato, cilantro, cumin, salt and pepper. Be stingy with that salt because we're gonna add in smoked salmon. After you chop up that salmon, you want to gently fold it in. You want actual pieces of salmon in every bite, not pink mush. That salmon is where your 16 grams of protein comes from. Bell peppers are doing the job your chips usually do. They've got real crunch and they hold up to a thick dip way better than you'd expect. No cooking, 5-10 minutes. That's it. Keto chicken cucumber salad. Now this one is inspired by Reina Pepiada, which is a Venezuelan classic. It's a creamy chicken and avocado filling that's traditionally stuffed inside of arepas. Now we're pulling that filling and we're making it into a whole snack. Greek yogurt, a little mayo, lime juice, that's our base. It's gonna get creamy without it being heavy. You're gonna grab that rotisserie chicken, I'm gonna chop it up, as well as dice up a red onion. Now 2 things that matter. First, you're gonna fold in the avocado last. We wanna keep it chunky. You want actual bites of avocado, not a green paste running through everything. Second, and this is most important, you're gonna keep the cucumbers completely separate until the moment you're ready to eat. The second the cucumber hits that mash, it releases water and everything gets soggy. You can add them fresh with every single bite, 25 grams of protein, and to make it more filling, you can enjoy these with keto tortillas. Shrimp and roasted pepper relish. 28 grams of protein. Now this is the highest protein snack in this entire list, and it's a no-cook recipe. You're gonna think Mediterranean shrimp cocktail, but something actually worth eating. Pre-cooked shrimp, finely chopped, and I mean fine, uniform pieces so every single bite has a little bit of everything. I like to pile everything on top and just chop everything together. You got the roasted red peppers, Kalamata olives, capers, olive oil, lemon juice, fresh parsley. Now before you reach for that salt, stop. Taste it first. The capers and olives are already bringing a lot of that salt to this, so you can easily over-season it without even realizing it. However you eat this is up to you, but I like to spoon mine into a large tropical avocado. It is so good and creamy. Finish it with the citrus pepper blend right before serving, not mixed in. That's the whole move, that's the whole vibe. Real quick before we wrap this video, if you're getting value from these high protein keto snack ideas, then hit that like button and subscribe. I got new content dropping each week. Leave me a comment, let me know what you want to see. All right, let's get back to the video. Keto Mediterranean turkey egg salad and romaine wraps. I'm gonna tell you right now, this one hits. The classic egg salad got a complete rebuild. The first swap is labna instead of mayo. Labna is a strained yogurt cheese, thicker than Greek yogurt, way more flavor, and it keeps your macros clean. Think of mixing cream cheese and Greek yogurt together. Instead of buying it, you can make your own olive tapenade. So we're gonna chop up Kalamata olives, add in olive oil, and grate in some garlic. That's what's gonna give this salad a brine. You're gonna fold that in with your diced turkey and roughly chop hard-boiled eggs. You gotta do it gently. You want texture in every single bite. You don't want this to end up like a paste. 1 tablespoon of hemp hearts goes in. That's 3 extra grams of protein, and I promise you, you will not taste them at all. They do add some great texture. Lay an herb and garlic blend to finish. You can enjoy this straight off the spoon like I do, or you can wrap these in romaine or the green lettuce leaves. Treat it like an egg roll. Spicy herbaceous ground chicken chips. If you've been around since I put out my chicken crust pizza video, then this is gonna make complete sense to you. Ground chicken, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, That's not a typo. That's what gives it the actual crisp instead of a flat cooked patty. Land urban garlic blend, sea salt, and pepper. Mix it fully combined, then spread it very thin onto parchment paper. You can put this into the oven or into your air fryer basket. Thin, and I mean thin as you can possibly get it, because thinner is crispier. That is the entire game here. 375, 18 to 22 minutes. Do not pull it early. Wait until the edges are genuinely golden and brown. Then let it sit 10 minutes before you break it. It keeps crisping as it cools. 27 grams of protein, basically 0 carbs, and it holds for days in an airtight container. There you have it, 5 high-protein keto snacks, all Mediterranean diet friendly. From no cook to some cook, I got you covered. Full written recipes with links to buy the spices are in the description box, and you can find all that information on fitmancook.com. And if you like this video and it helped you, I invite you to smash that like button below, leave me a comment, and let me know what you want to see next. I've got more keto, low carb, and Mediterranean diet friendly content dropping each week. All right, y'all. See you in the next one.